Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you about Google Drive. What is Google Drive? What are the advantages? How to use it? And what are the best solutions that are available in the market as Google Drive? So let me show you a complete practical example of Google Drive. So let me just take a look and okay, I'm opening Google Drive on Google Chrome. So let me switch on my account. Okay, there are two options to open Google Drive. First of all, what is Google Drive? Google Drive is a storage space provided by Google in clouds, 15 GB space per email ID in clouds to utilize for storing your documents and accessing it from anywhere. So when I'm talking about clouds, when I'm saying that Google is providing you space in the cloud, that means it is cloud storage. And cloud storage, many people must be knowing, is accessible from anywhere, wherever you have internet available. Best advantage of Google Drive is it has application for iOS, it has application for Android, it has application for Windows. You can open it from any platform and see your document. So basically, you are storing your document into a central repository and can access it from anywhere, can share it with anyone. Think a scenario, you created some document and you want to share with masses, too many people. So what you can do is just upload on Google Drive, take the link and share the link with anyone. So whoever is having that link available with him can just download the document if you have given permission. Okay. So there are some competitor also like Microsoft has its OneDrive. Then Box is also there, Dropbox is also there. There are multiple sites. I mean, those who are providing storage, size storage is also there, but they are paid also. For example, even in Google, you are crossing 15 GB, you need to buy the space. So up to 15 GB, it is enough, free of cost. But 15 GB is a good amount, unless you store too many movies and too many photographs. Now let's see how Google Drive works. Okay, there are two options to access Google Drive. In fact, three options. One is you can download Google Drive app on your phone, on your iPhone, or on your computer. Everywhere, Windows 10, it has Google Drive application. So if you download Google Drive on your computer and create your folder into Google Drive, in that folder, whatever document you are storing in that folder will automatically be uploaded into Google Drive. That is first advantage. Okay. So and secondly, you can open it, just write Drive here, Google Drive here, and you are able to just click it and it is available. So you can just click it here. Okay. And Google Drive will be open. Third is third is you just need to write drive.google.com. So with the URL you can do that. So let me just switch on. You can see this is Google Drive. This is console access of Google Drive. So here it is giving me an option to download Google Drive application for my laptop. So I can download this application. It will be stored in my laptop. It will create one folder in my drive which I choose, and whatever document you are storing in that will be available on Google Drive. So let me show you how can I download this application. Let me download this. So I just click download and it is storing this. Let me just take it to download, no, to create, and this is downloaded executable. Okay, open when it is done. So now what it will do, it will open that executable file when it is downloaded. Till the time this is okay, it is already downloaded. So now it is storing. See, it is downloading now actual application and it will install. But before that, till the time it is downloading, let me show you some more things. This is Google Drive. You can do setting here. and create a folder. You can upload a file directly. You can upload a folder directly, and it is with drag and drop option. You can create Google document, Google Sheet, or Google Slide. With these, that means if you are using Google Docs, you don't need Window Words, I mean Microsoft Words. If you are using Google Sheet, you don't need Excel. If you are using Google Slides, you don't need PowerPoint. Apart from, there are many things like Google Forms, Google Drawing, Google Air Map, AllSite, and many more things you can see here, Jamboard, text editor, and all. So you can just create that and upload that. For example, let me create a folder for you. So Knowledge Max test folder, okay? Sorry, my bad. Test folder, create. Now it has already created a test folder for me. I will just go down here, and now it is asking me to drop a file which I want to use it here. So I can go to my desktop and select any file, come back here and just upload it. And it is uploading. See, it has done it. That depends on the speed of your internet. What is the speed of your fiber or dongle or whatever the type of internet you are using. You can edit this file here itself. I can right click and I can open with. I don't need anything in my install in my laptop. I can do it here itself. Just text editor. I can edit it here only. So I have opened in text editor. So it's asking me, okay, it's opening. So I can see this file I created for CSS. This CSS file I created for my using it myself. Let's say I'm just changing padding and I want to make it 1 instead of this. And I will say save to drive. It is saved. I can download also. Now this file is saved, okay, and I can just share it with many people. I can access it from anywhere. I can use it from any computer. I can store it on any computer. I can download from my mobile. I can download from my iPhone. Now let's see what else I can do with this. Okay, I will right click on this. I can share it. Remember, you can just write names here and you can just share. That is one thing. Second, many email ID you can write. And second thing you can do it, just get shareable link, and you want to have restricted, only people added can see the link, or you want to just do it for anyone. If you are doing for anyone, this file can be opened and downloaded by anyone, whoever is having this link. Okay. So if you are doing only viewer, the person can download the link and view the file. He can't do anything. If you want him to edit the file, so you need to have right edit here, and this drive link will be with editor option. I can copy the link and by email, by WhatsApp, by any means I can share the link. I can share the link using Twitter. I can share, for example, some document you are creating which you want to send it across to the masses. So you can do it like this. So it's a central repository. Anyone can just open this document from anywhere. If you share the link to them, they don't even need an application to open it. If they don't have application, they can come back to the Google Drive. They can download the Google Drive, use Google inherited application or inbuilt application like Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Presentation, and it is I mean easily they can open it. Google Text Editor is another one. So friends, you could you understand the advantage of Google Drive now? It is central repository providing you 15 GB of space in cloud with availability of 100%, 99.9% availability. Can access from anywhere, can access from any device where internet is available. You can share the link with so many people, and this document is always available with you and you can show it anytime. You uploaded your driving license, you uploaded your RC, you uploaded your education certificate, you uploaded your bank photograph, bank passbook photograph, you uploaded your A, B, C, X, Y, Z documents, and you can show it anyone, anytime. So this is the best advantage of Google Drive. Don't forget to take the power of Google Drive and use it. I hope you could get the overview of Google Drive. I forgot to tell you start one. For example, if I right click here and I say add start, and you have some document which are very important to you. So any given point of time, you can just go here, click here, and you will find all the documents available here, and you can just take them. You can download, you can modify, you can share, you can access anything you can do. Okay, I can remove star also, remove star from here. So there are many functions. Please try to utilize it. You can definitely take a big advantage of Google Drive. If you have an email ID in Gmail, don't forget to take advantage of Google Drive. Thank you very much. If you have any question, drop in comment box. I will reply that. Take care. Jai Hind. Bye bye.